In this video, I will show some of the things you can do with Yawcam AI. When you open Yawcam, you will see an overview of the latest events. Here, in the top, you can see the number of events per hour or per day. The chart is clickable. Clicking on a specific hour will take you to the events for that hour. We also have a preview with thumbnails for the latest events. And in the upper right corner, we can see what object triggered the event. And before we continue, I just want to mention that you can choose between this light mode and a dark mode. I'm going to stay with the dark mode. From the menu, we can open the different functions in Yawcam. Let's open the live view. If we double-click a camera, it will be expanded, and we can toggle back by another double-click. A single click will open the device menu, and from here we can expand the camera like we just did. We could open the device settings like this, or we could show all the events for this device, and we can pause and resume the live view. Let's show the events for this device. This brings us to the event view. On the left side, we will see a list of all the events. We can see the time of the event and the duration. We also have the icon that shows us what triggered the event. The Today button is a quick filter that shows us all events captured by all cameras today. But we can also use the filter button if we're looking for something more specific. Let's do that. We select the backside camera, and we could select the date and time, but let's ignore that for now. Instead, we will look for all the times that this backside camera has captured a dog or a cat. Okay, so in this beta version, Yawcam will actually look for both cats and dogs when you select dog. This will most likely change in a future version. Let's click OK. The event list is updated, and the number of events we found is visible up here. To display an event, we can click on it in the list. If we click on the image button, we will see a snapshot of the image that triggered the event. If we click on the preview or the play button, the video will start. And click on the video to bring up the controls. We can skip backward or forward and play and pause. From here, we can also export the video or delete it. But let's click cancel. Okay, let's go back to the settings for this camera. Let's click on Settings, Devices, and the backside camera. From here, we can control all the settings for this device. Let's open the Detector settings. Here, we first select the AI model to use and the confidence level. And after that, we can specify what we want to look for and where it should be located, when we should trigger the event, and some other options. So this camera will look for persons and dogs, and it will be triggered if it finds them anywhere in the image. But let's say we want to specify a specific area. So we click Inside Area and Edit. Here we can click to select the area we are interested in, like this, and modify it a bit. and click Save. We can also specify if we want to trigger by movement or by time visible. And last, we can specify a minimum or a maximum object size. So just click Edit and adjust the size. Okay, that's it. Finally, we can have a look at the statistics. Here you will mostly find counters for the events, but also info about the storage and the devices, and some info about the system. Okay, that was all I'm going to show in this video. If you would like to try this for yourself, you can download the software from yawcam.com. Thanks for watching.